Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is pepper chicken roast. Pepper chicken roast is a popular South Indian dish known for its bold flavors and aromatic spices. This dish offers a delightful balance of heat from the pepper and richness from the chicken, making it a favorite among spice lovers. It is often served with rice, roti, or naan, creating a satisfying and flavorful meal experience. Black pepper, a key ingredient, contains antioxidants that aid digestion. Ginger and garlic in the dish provide anti inflammatory benefits. Let's start the recipe. Take half kg chicken. Add half tablespoon of turmeric, half tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well and marinate for 30 minutes. In a vessel, add 3 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 tablespoon of cumin, 1 small piece of cinnamon, 2 cloves and 2 cardamom. Saute it for 1 minute on low heat. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Now add 1 chopped onion and 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Saute it until onion turns its color. Now add half tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of garam masala and 3/4 tablespoon of pepper powder. Saute it for 5 minutes on low heat. Add marinated chicken. If you are new to my channel, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. Fry for 5 to 10 minutes on medium heat. Give the recipe a try and let me know your feedback in the comments. Close and cook until the chicken is cooked perfectly. More chicken recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them for more delicious options. Very tasty and delicious pepper chicken roast is ready. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.